morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Market is open for business. Here we go. Looks like we're going lower right off the rip. Going lower off the rip here, down, testing the low, the 820s right here. Testing the low of the overnight. Oh, let's go. Man, I just got word. Oh my goodness. Apex. What is Apex doing? Hold it. They just announced their new promotion. 80% off, but only $10 lifetime activation fee. That's insane. Okay, no, $10 activation fee for the 100Ks. Okay, the 100K accounts. I gotta make sure I read all this. Hang on, I gotta make sure. I literally got it just as I got live and was like, wait a minute, what is all this? So the 100K static and the eval, those two accounts are $10 lifetime PA fees. Everything else is $40. That is crazy. Must be their, I guess they want to sell 100K accounts, I guess. All right, market. Man, there's all kinds of promotions going on. I'm trying to catch up. Trying to get all my ducks in a row here. Oh. All right, pretty mild opening so far. We took out those lows and now we're just sitting here. Yeah, so the 100K accounts with Apex are 80% off and only $10 lifetime activation fee. That is only on the 100K accounts. Everything else is 80% off and a $40 lifetime activation fee. Yeah, static, I'm not sure I would recommend static, Matty Matt. I've never been a fan of the static. I feel like it's not worth, I don't know. Never been a big fan of it, but hey, to each their own. Okay, I think I got everything straightened out. Yeah, the 100K trailing or the 100K static. Either 100K account is the $10 lifetime fee. So $10 lifetime activation fee, but only on the 100K static or just the regular 100K account. Just the regular intraday trailing account. Hey, all right, everybody. How we doing? Good morning. Fred Yeager, good morning. Black Coffee, good to see you. Good morning. Dean Bishop, Niles, Timbo Trader, I am Bruce Lee, Jack Wiley, Cost D1, Aaron Guide, good morning. Jake Dell, good morning. Sean Trader, let's go, fellas. Micro Player, Mr. Krister, Arrow Squad, Matty Matt, how we doing it? Zugfest, Daniels, Tate, Tanush, good morning. Ramern, Vin's, good morning. Jeremy, good morning. His Royal Trades, Best Guest Trading, Ross E, Peter, Jim JB, good morning, everybody. John, good morning, John. TCM Trades, Patrick Duran. If you're going to YOLO evals or hedge the evals anyway, you might as well go for the 100K versus 50. Yeah, I mean, I always felt like I'm not surprised that, I think people either use the 50Ks or the 150Ks. This is just a way to get people to, basically get people to try out the 100Ks. Good morning, Clyde, Lazy Bunny, Eugene, the Hoodie Trader, Zach, Thor, good morning. Discipline Futures Trader, good morning. Good morning, Timely Bible Verse. Good to see you. Hey, you just got another payout from Tradeify number 3. Let's go. They do take you live after your 6th payout, Timely Bible Verse. But congratulations. Let's go. Sharouz, good morning. All right, pretty choppy open here. Pretty choppy open. Ouch. Oh, man. Man, I seriously messed up my elbow last night. I was playing pickleball. Oh, I was playing pickleball, and I don't know what I did, but my elbow was hurting last night, and it's still hurting. I can't close my hand. This is not good at all. It's gonna be an issue for my golf game. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but it's like if I close my I can't close my hand. But so we got to rest this elbow, get it healed so we can play golf when we get back to Florida. Classic Man, good morning. Mr. Wall Street is here. I saw everybody loves Raymond about a sore elbow. Yeah, I'm getting old, Black Coffee. I was actually playing pickleball with Black Coffee. I was playing pickleball with Black Coffee Trader. I don't know what I did, but I did something bad. I'm getting old, folks. I'm getting old. Sounds like you have lateral epicondylitis, or better known as tennis elbow. So, MSNRH, what do I do for tennis elbow? What do I do? Hey, good morning, Rad Poker. Tick Hound, good morning. Kion Parker, good morning. Apex went up on the price. When? When did they do that? How does Lucid pay out? They pay out. Lucid does payouts with either. Let me think. You can do ACH or Market Watt, or what is that called? It's not Rise. It's oh, what is it called? Yes, I did get the Apex sales. Yes. We have a 80% off. The 100K accounts are running a special promotion. Play more tennis to solve the issue. I'm going to say that's probably not it. Use CBD lotion. All right. Sounds like a good time. Swing from the shoulder, not the elbow. No. No, Lucid doesn't use played. They use market. It's something market. Man, what is that called? I figured you were getting old when you said pickleball. I was using hot, icy hot. I was using. Hey, Ace Undercover, good morning. I can't remember what that's called. Actually, hang on. I can look at my emails. Let me look at my emails. What is the special 100K deal? 80% off and then only $10 activation fee. Lifetime, Ramarine. Let me check here. Okay, work market, Rad Poker. Rad Poker, it is called work market. Or it's called work market. That's what they use. Now you can also do ACH, but I think for international they use work market. It's very similar, I think, to Rise. Yes, good till December 2nd on that Apex deal. December 2nd. December 2nd on the Apex deal. But yeah, basically they're running a special promotion for the 100K accounts. It must be they're trying to clear out their inventory. They have too many 100K accounts. They're trying to clear out inventory. So, man, that's a crazy deal. I mean, wow, look at that dump. Down we go. All right, looks like we're going to be looking for a short setup. Looks like we are going to be looking for a short setup here this morning. And there she goes, almost 100 points now. Again, I don't know if you guys were watching, but look at this. We literally came up, we touched. Did you guys see this? Because I did. I'm like, oh, watch, today's going to be a down day, because we literally came up and touched this top channel, and now back down we go. You can all thank Tory Trades' uncle for teaching me how to draw lines on the chart for a measly $1,500. I'm going to pass it on to you guys for free. You're welcome. The things I do for you guys. Rad Poker. Yeah, that is a good deal. If I didn't have any, I mean, I would be taking advantage of that deal for sure. That's like $69 all in price for the 100K accounts. That's crazy. Matty Matt, leave Tory alone. Sorry, Matty Matt. I did not mean any disrespect for your simp girlfriend. That's worth more than gold. Thank you. Yes, Royal Trades. I'm glad you appreciate it. Good morning, Orlando. Good morning, SP. Did I really take his course? No, I did not. Did you know if Tory has a Black Friday sale? Glacier Gains. Let me check. Maybe I can become an affiliate for Tory Trades. Oh man. Also, talking about Black Friday sales, affordable indicators. The affordable indicators account dashboard, which is what I use to showcase all my accounts, that is currently 40% off. And the basic chart trader is 50% off. So just putting it out there, if you have been on the fence and you were wanting to wait for a better deal, then now might be your time. I don't really have a code. If you want to support the channel, you have to use the link. There should be a link in the chat popping up soon. But either way, I figured I'd pass it on. Man, look at this. Down we go, down through the 700s. What a rip lower. Wow. Okay, it's one of them things again. Just could not could not go higher. See, down we go. Let's see if we get a bounce. Now we need this to slow down a little bit. Give us a nice bounce. I love the AI chart trader for whatever it's worth. Honestly, Fred Yeager, same. This chart trader is the one thing I couldn't do without. I love this chart trader. Being able to do the buy click, sell click, it just keeps things simple. Nutty is Tori's uncle. Oh dear, please no, please no. Oh. What? Why is that Streamlabs saying last day? I took that off. Hang on. The Apex sale is going on until December 2nd. What is bad about the static account with Apex? Obviously you just have very, very little drawdown. So you just have so little drawdown that I feel like it's not worth. I just feel like it's not worth it. Like I would rather, you know, I just think it's money well spent for the 100K trailing intraday trailing drawdown. I just think it's better because your intraday trailing drawdown, once you have the account passed, it stops once you get, you know, past that initial drawdown amount. So it kind of turns into a static account once you make enough money. So if you can just, you know, get through that, then you basically have a static account, and it's just it's a lot better account than at that point. But it's not, yeah, if you can, you have to take it very slow or get a really, really good trade on the first couple trades you take. Man, look at this. We are just continuing to dump. Are we just going to dump straight down to the bottom of this range now? Come on. We got a long way to go before we get to the bottom of this range, so. If your first trade is a loss, yeah, exactly, Madam Matt. You really are not going to survive. It's going to be difficult. Oh, man, this gives me FOMO once again. It seems every single day, every day we have this issue. It feels like every day we just see the market, once it was done consolidating and it starts going, it just keeps going. And then we wait and we wait and we wait and we wait. I'm really starting to consider doing some kind of opening trade. Look at that, all the way down through the 600s now. Are you serious? Come on. Hey, Bob, you going to trade or sell props? I will do both. I will do whatever I want, Bob. Bob, is that okay, Bob? Maybe I'll just sit here and keep advertising prop firms if that's going to be a problem for you, Bob. I'm just kidding. There's nothing for me to trade here, okay, Bob? All right. Hey, finally getting a little bit of a move back higher. We need a bigger move back up higher now. We need the market to slow down a little bit. Let's get a move back into the 720s maybe. But the EMAs are all the way up at the 800s. It's gonna go a little bit. Gonna go a little bit before we get a setup, Bob. Trader's Jake, good morning. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I just can't help it, Bob. I love you, Bob. That name just really rolls off the tongue, man. Look at this bounce. See, this is insane. This is what the market will do. Like, we literally just bounced 100 points. I mean, like it's nothing. Like it's nothing. That's insane. Ay, 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 ay. How's it been going, Trader's Chick? How's it been going? How you been doing? Hey, M. Susan, good morning. Good to see you. Apex sale $40 to make funded. It's the activation fee is $40, but except for the 100K accounts are $10. Look at that. All the way back up to the 710s, testing the 720s. Wow, look at that insanity. Excuse me. Blackout News Network. I know, right? This is why you can't have FOMO. This is exactly why you just cannot have FOMO. If you get FOMO and just jump in down here, like you can literally in 2 seconds, you can be down 100 points. It's just not, you can't do it. You just can't do it. Is it me or does the mic sound a little different than normal? Really? My voice feels like it sounds different today. I feel like my voice sounds different this morning. I can even hear it. I sure hope I'm not picking up anything. I don't know. Hey, Bob. I'm sorry, Bob. I don't. It's just fun saying your name, Bob. I'm sorry, Bob. I don't know why. I really like saying your name. I will again, Bob, just to be very, very clear here. I don't recommend you follow my trades, okay? That's not recommended. I'm going to have to move in with you in Florida if I can't get a win. Well, I do have a spare bedroom, Bob. I do have a spare bedroom, so it's going to be between you and John. John already kind of claimed the spare bedroom, so I don't know. Maybe you guys can be roommates? Question mark. Wow, look at this. Look at this rip back up. 740s now. Now I'm starting to become a little bit concerned. Like, are we seriously just going to rip straight back up? That's insane. Get some bunk beds. The voice is the same. Whiny. Yes, let's go. Do a duck race for the spare bedroom. I love Lucid too. Lucid is great. Agreed. Have I changed the first name yet? No, I have not. All right, I don't know what we're going to do here. What is going on, market? What is going on? This is an insane V-shaped move. Almost 200-point ripper right back up. Do I trust taking a short here? I don't know, man. That seems a little bit dangerous. That is crazy. I think there is news. Isn't there news at 10 o'clock? Let me double check that. There is news at 10 o'clock, pending home sales. There is news at 10 o'clock, guys, so just be aware. Be aware of that. Doesn't matter what you do, you can only be wrong in this market. Ugh, let's hope not. I will manage Nutty's duck ranch. You can train the ducks for the duck race, Bob. We're gonna have to make a decision here. I mean, I kind of feel like I don't want to take this setup before the news comes out, but if the 10 o'clock news comes out and we just kind of consolidate here, if we consolidate in this area and we give a good short entry, I think I'm going to take it. I'm going to take that short, but man, the more this goes higher, the more that this is not valid. We might not even. I mean, we have the VWAP up here, the 835s. News coming out in about 2 minutes. Ooh. Nutty, I'm in the market for new golf irons. I'm debating if I should just go for the P790s or the Wilson Dynapower, or do I get the QI irons? I've been playing the Rocket Blaze, so the lofts are very similar to P790s. Wilson, the QIs are super strong compared to what I was playing. Are you? I mean, to me, it depends a lot, Matt. Like how forgiving do you want those irons to be? Like, do you hit center club face on your irons for the most part? Because if that has a big, that's a big difference. But I tested out quite a bit of different ones, and the ones that I was debating on the Ping. I forget the brand, which model of Pings or the TaylorMade QIs. I ended up going with the QIs, but I mean, I think either one you couldn't go wrong. If I was to buy new irons, Matt, the one irons that I would like to try out and hit are the Tacoma irons. I would love to try out the Tacoma irons. I don't know if you've heard of those. They're kind of new, but man, look at this. We just continue to rip this. This is crazy. I mean, I'm not sure. What is this market, man? All right, news coming out, fellas. News coming out in 10 seconds. My brother tried them and he said they weren't great. Okay, that's interesting. I would love to hit him. Which ones are more forgiving? I feel like the QI10s are very forgiving irons. In my opinion. I do think they are very forgiving. Okay, that was the news. Oh man, do I take? I can't do. Man, this is a weird place to enter here, but I want to check something here. Oh, man. Okay, I guess we're in. I was contemplating this trade. We're probably going to trail our stop on this. I don't want to get too crazy. I'm worried about the trap. I'm worried about a trap, but I'm worried about the trap. I wish I had 2 micros so I could take some off here, but I don't. All right, I'm just going to take that. I'm not going to be greedy this morning. I'm not going to be greedy with this kind of market. I wish I had another micro. I really wish I had another micro that I could take half off and leave a runner. But with this volatility, I would have had to have like a $450 stop loss. And it's just too much. Wow, look at that. It's a beautiful move lower. Now I wish I would have been a little more patient. But hey, it's a great trade. It's a good trade. We'll take it. I'm not going to be too hard on myself on that one. Bob, where you at, Bob? I'm just kidding, Bob. Man, look at this beautiful move. Oh, look at that beautiful move lower. Man, I wish I would have held. Oh, I mean, that's a, what is that? 779 entry. That's 100 points. 100 points. I didn't barely have any drawdown. I should have just held. I should have held for the full 100 points. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. What can you do? Let's go, Bob. I'm sorry, Bob. I'll stop. I'll stop now. I'll stop using your name, Bob. I just like the name Bob. If I have another kid, I might name him Bob. Just saying. And we continue lower. Unbelievable. Whew. Man, sometimes maybe I should just send it. 2 micros and send it. Oh, man. Oh, well, hey, let's be okay with this. Do I see the new Apex deal? Yes, I was talking about it earlier, but Bob said I have to stop selling prop firms, so we're trying to focus on trading. Yes, Matty Matt. I do just have the stock shaft on the QI irons. I do. If I had to do, okay, my next, I do want to try out the graphite iron, like the graphite shafts on the irons. But yeah, I just have I have the stiff flex shafts on the QI irons. And I will say, my irons, I am by far the most consistent with my irons. I hit my irons really well. I have no complaints. Really, I need to fix, I just need to fix my driver. If I could just fix my driver, on my golf game, I feel like I could be a 6 to 7 handicap if I could fix my driving. My irons are very consistent. My short game's been great. My putting's been great. It's just off the tee. I'm just so inconsistent and so bad. I actually started anytime that I have a par 4 that is less than 400 yards. Like if I'm at a par 4 with less than 400 yards, I will hit my 6 iron off the tee. I can hit my 6 iron like 210, and from there I will, I'm way better if I do that. For some reason I can't hit my 5 iron and 4 iron that well. But my 6, 7 on, I can hit really well. Hey, good morning, Citizen Zero. Good morning. You just got stopped out up 555, hoping for a new lows. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah. See now, yeah, we got to be careful now. If we don't make new lows here, which it looks like we might not, we can't take another short. We got to be very careful now. We got to be very careful here. Man, the market volatility is just crazy again today. I kind of half expected that the volatility might die down a little bit. Overnight seemed like we were, it wasn't too crazy, but man, this morning, this is, wow. I want to be able to trade with 2 micros again. I need this volatility to die off a little bit so I can trade 2 micros at least. I would love to trade 3 micros, but it's just impossible right now. I mean, look at this. Now we're just right back up 100 points. Man, that's insane. That's insane. The volatility is because of NVIDIA. I see. 6 iron to 210 is awesome. If I'm sure, yeah, I am sure about that. I mean, that's during the summer, Daz. That's during the summer when it's like during the summer when it's nice and warm. Yeah, I consistently hit my 6 iron 210. But my driving is so bad. You know what the problem is with my driving lately? I used to only have 1 miss. My 1 miss was a big slice. That was my miss. But now I have a duck hook that I added to my miss. So my driver is so bad, I will literally, it's like a 33% chance that I'll duck hook it left, a 33% chance that I'll slice it right, and then there's like a 33% chance I'll hit it straight. So that is not a good place to be when you're golfing. It is not a fun place to be. Hey, Tradeify sale is out. It's 40%. Let's go. All right, hang on. Bob, you might need to close your ears. We might need to sell some prop firms again. Is Tradeify 40% off? Did they just announce it? Hey, let's go. Let's go. 40% off. Tradeify. Love it. Love it. Love it. Yes, I just got the email. Thank you, Sharuz. I appreciate that. Thanks for the heads up. Tradeify, 40% off. Let's go. It looks like the direct to funded accounts, 40% off only on the 25 and 50K accounts. You're cursed with Tradeify, Zilla? Oh, dude, I know how you feel. I mean, I can't talk about the prop firm that I'm currently cursed with because I don't want any bad, I don't want any bad, actually, you know what? I will talk about it. Why not? I don't believe in that. Wow, look at this. This could have been an entry, but again, I said we're not taking any entries here if we don't make new lows, so I'm not taking this. But let's see. We came right back up, tested the 21 EMA on the 2-minute, and we are going back down now. Will we get down below the 660s? But these accounts, let's not talk about it too long, guys. I don't want to spend a lot of time talking about this. Okay? But I think it's okay to just show a little bit of appreciation, so to speak. Look at this. I haven't done this on this prop firm, I don't think ever in my life.